or create an obstacle for you to love someone more deserving. Pray that love comes in your life in the form of a more deserving partner. Someone who is there in your karma, someone who will make you accept life the way it is. At times, pain is important in life, otherwise, we do not understand the importance and value of pleasure. Pain can also be a source of pleasure. Life is too vast and complicated. Emotions are relative in nature and difficult to understand. To accept is the only alternative we have so as to survive. Since you are reading this article, or in this case, if you're watching this video, I will pray that you find all the happiness you deserve in this life. God bless you. Amen. This is Rohit Dua, and do check all my videos online, and any readings you want to know anything about readings, or if you want to approach me for a reading, you're always welcome. God bless you. Yeah. My name is Rohit Dua. I'm going to read out one of my articles in this video. I'm a tarot card reader by profession. If you have any doubts, any queries on this article, or any suggestions, then they're most welcome. I would request that you watch this entire video and also watch my other videos online. And if you ever want to know about tarot readings, or how a reading is done, or if you want to approach me for a reading, you're most welcome. All you need to do is send an email or contact me via phone, Skype, whichever way it's possible. Yeah, it's not difficult to find my contact details online. All you need to do is search it online on any of the web search engines like Google or any of the websites. You'll have to search with 3 keywords. The first keyword would be my name, my first name, that is spelled as R for Rotterdam, O for Oscar, H for Hong Kong, I for Indonesia, T for Tango, that is Rohit, space. The second keyword would be my last name, that is D for Delta, U for United, A for Alpha, Dua, space. The third keyword would be Tarot, T-A-R-O-T, Tango, Alpha, Rotterdam, Oscar, Tango. With these 3 keywords, you'll be able to search my profiles on different sites and also my contact details. This article was published in March 2013. Okay, the title is Meditation and Rituals Involving Tarot Cards. Meditation as a term is very subjective and relative. What applies to you may not apply to me. At the same time, we both could be right in our own way. My own understanding is restricted and flawed due to prejudice, bias, and past experiences. What heals your soul and helps you dig your subconscious and seek what is not known or acknowledged or not yet accepted. There are many modes and techniques of meditation. Although I am not the appropriate person to comment on meditation, my soul is too restless and chaotic to find peace and calm within. However, if you have a temperament which is receptive and not hyper, then one can gain a lot from meditations involving tarot cards. I come across a lot of people who ask me, what purpose do tarot rituals serve? What is there to gain in approaching these rituals? I agree and accept that in this world, people approach a card reader or perform rituals, whether rituals involving tarot cards or purely Wiccan rituals, for a selfish objective and to gain something in the end. I mean, obviously, an objective is bound to be there. We all do everything. Whatever we do in life has to have a purpose or some selfish objective in the end. However, the irony of rituals or with